Tonight we're having chicken stir fry. You can actually cook this in the microwave, which would be really nice to make in a stack cooker, but since I do not have one yet, we are going to use the vent and serves. So these are frozen right now. And then once we put the lids on them, we put them in the microwave for about 13 minutes and they should be done. Let's see what happens. Now that we put the lid on it, make sure you do vent it. So these things have really cool little vents. So pull the little tab up. Same thing for this other side, which by the way, the reason I have two of these, because one's my daughter's and one is mine. We're having this for dinner for me and her. My husband's decided they're gonna have something else. All right, so now that we got these up, let's go ahead and get them in the microwave. And since I have room, I can actually put both of them in there. So let's go ahead and grab the other one. And now we have both in there. Now we're gonna cook it for, we're gonna do it for 13 minutes. There they go. All right, we'll see you back in 13 minutes. All right, almost there. All right, we are back. It's been 13 minutes, and yes, it's very hot. I should have known better than that, but it's okay. We have our handy dandy microfiber towels from Tupperware. Awesome product too. And it comes handy for me to grab these hot items out of the microwave. All right, there's the one, and here's the two. All right, and two. Now let's see what this turns out. Oh, look at all that steam coming out of that baby. Let's try this one. And that one too. And now we're gonna stir it. Oh my goodness. It's actually cooked. This is awesome. 13 minutes in the microwave using our vent and serves. No more having to stir fry it in the over the stove. And no, we're using fake Tupperware that they call Tupperware or plastic or whatever to try to microwave it and take the risk of, is it cooked all the way? Well, this is cooked all the way. And I know it's going to be delicious. So definitely get yourself some vent and serves. They are awesome. They come in all different sizes. They come into the casserole dish size. It's awesome. I plan to get the whole set soon. So it's time to eat.